Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to see second chapter parallel lines and transversal. In this video, we will learn to draw parallel line to a given line. Now see construction 1. To draw a parallel line to the given line, throw a point outside the given line using set square. So, let us take a question. Draw a line M, take a point P outside it, draw a line N passing through point P and parallel to line M using set square. You can do this with two methods. Let's see method first. In this method, apply following steps of construction to draw a line parallel to the given line. First step is draw line M. Take ruler and draw line M. Now second step. Take a point P outside line M. So here I have taken a point. We'll name this point as P. Okay. Next step is place one side of set square containing the right angle along line M. Now we use set square. One of the edge of this set square will lie on the line M and the other edge of set square will touch the point P. You can see that one of the edge is on the line and other edge touching the point. Next step, adjust the side of other set square along the second side of the first set square in such a way that point P lies on the other side of the second set square. Now we will take another set square. What we need to do, one of the edge should touch the set square and other edge should touch the point. Okay. So we will place it like this. So you can see that this is one of the edge is touching the first set square and the other edge is on the point P. Next step is draw the line along the edge of the second set square passing through P. Now we will draw a line using this edge of second set square. Okay. Now you can see we got a line. Now we will extend this line with the help of ruler. You know the line can be extended because it has no fixed length. Okay. You can see that it is line. Next step is name the line as N. So you can name this line as N. So line N is parallel to line M and passing through point P. Okay. This is our first method. Now we will move to the second method. By using these steps of construction, we have to draw a parallel line to a given line. So start with first step. First step is draw a line L. So take a ruler and draw a line L. Now second step. Take a point P outside line L. Now we will take point P outside line L in this way. Next step. Place one side of set square containing the right angle along line L passing through P. So in this way we can place set square. Next step. Draw segment PM perpendicular to line L such that point M lies on line L. So with the help of set square we will draw segment which is perpendicular to line L. This is point M. So we get segment PM perpendicular to line L. And here point M lies on line L. Next step. Take another point N on line L. So we have to take point N on line L. Next step. Using set square, draw a line perpendicular to line L and passing through point N. Mark Q on it such that length of NQ equal to length of MP. So place the set square in this way. Draw line which is perpendicular to line L. Now we mark point Q on this line such that segment NQ and segment MP have equal length. Now last step. Draw line N passing through points P and Q. So we will draw line passing through points P and Q. Name this line as N in this way. Hence we get line N is parallel to line L. By using this method, you can also draw parallel line to given line. I hope you understand both methods to draw a line parallel to a given line. So you can use these two methods to draw a line parallel to a given line. Thank you.